actually people have come and told me that I look like Alia more than Rakul Preet, but yeah, ये आया मेरे पास. But मैं हूँ मिडिल क्लास और मैं अभी भी मिडिल क्लास हूँ. And I think किसी को बोल कर नहीं करके दिखाने में ज़्यादा मैं बिलीव करती हूँ. When I met शाहरुख सर, वक्त थम गया और कुछ समझ ही नहीं आया. Okay.
वैसे you mentioned Dear Comrade.
Yeah.
So would you like to work with Vijay Devrakonda?
Of course, I think he's a phenomenal actor, and not only with him, but I would love to also work with Rashmika. A lot of people call me MM.
Okay.
People call me M. People call me Makwana. That's the reach of TV, because I think Sapne Suhane did so well, and even today people will be like, hey, you're Rachna.
Welcome to another interesting episode of Perfect Tales. और आज मैं एक क्यूट से फर बेबी से मिलने आई हूँ. जानना चाहते हो कौन है? Okay.
हमारे सेगमेंट का नाम है What the Comments.
Okay.
I'm going to read out few comments and you have to react to those comments.
Sure.
Okay. The first one is Rachna is getting hotter day by day.
Okay, that's a great thing, no? I take it as a compliment. Thank you.
Absolutely. I think Rachna के fans अभी भी मतलब इतने active है. They just love you.
Yeah.
Everywhere I see on your social media also, they refer you as Rachna.
Yeah, I think that's the beauty of television. Even today, it's been almost more than a decade. 10 साल के बाद भी लोग आज मुझे रचना के लिए जानते हैं. And that's the reach of TV, because I think Sapne Suhane did so well, and even today people will be like, hey, you're Rachna, and I'm like, I've grown up now, enough. But I think Rachna was special.
Absolutely. The second one is मैं यहाँ फटाके से बम पर आ गया हूँ लेकिन आप कुत्ते से बिल्ली पर नहीं आ रहे हो क्या महिमा जी?
Okay. क्योंकि मुझे मेरे डॉगों ने बहुत सारा प्यार दे दिया है.
Okay.
Does that make sense? Yeah.
Yeah, of course. वैसे तो मैं अनन्या पांडे को पसंद करता हूँ लेकिन आप जब साड़ी में रहते हो ना आप सबसे सुंदर दिखती हो.
Thank you. I'm a sari girl. Always a sari girl.
Oh, Indian look. You always look pretty when you wear Indian.
Thank you.
है ना कुछ अलग ही फील आता है
Yeah.
जब हम इंडियन पहनते हैं ट्रेडिशनल फील
Yeah.
वो अलग ही है. Okay, the fourth one is स्कूल डेज से आज तक तुम हमेशा मेहनत ही रही हो. कोई तुम्हें मिडिल क्लास बोले तो उन्हें बोल दो तुम अपने पैरों पर खड़ी हो.
बट मैं हूँ मिडिल क्लास और मैं अभी भी मिडिल क्लास हूँ. बट एंड आई थिंक किसी को बोल कर नहीं करके दिखाने में ज़्यादा मैं बिलीव करती हूँ.
बिल्कुल. बट योर जर्नी हैज़ बिन एन इंस्पिरेशन.
यस.
क्योंकि मिडिल क्लास इज़ नॉट जस्ट अ वर्ड बट इट्स अ थिंग दैट हर कोई इतने बड़े सपने देख के पूरे नहीं कर पाता.
या
बट उतनी शिद्दत के साथ हार्ड वर्क के साथ आपने जो मुकाम हासिल किया है उसके पीछे आई थिंक commendable.
Thank you. I think, I mean, I've had a long journey, and even my audiences, they've been a part of my journey. They started when I was 9, 10. Today I'm 25, and I think it's जो भी मैं आज जहाँ भी हूँ, it's an amalgamation of a lot of things, not just my hard work, but my mother's blessings, my destiny, the choices that I made, my audience. And wahi na, I think it's that one step that you take every single day to reach your destination. Yes. And some days you don't, and some days you do. But I think मैंने अपनी मम्मा से यही सीखा है that you have to be at it, no matter what.
Wow. And
it's been a long journey.
है ना?
Yeah.
Okay. The last comment is, has anyone told you that you look similar to Rakul Preet?
Yeah, I've got that a lot. People have come and told me that I look like Alia more than Rakul Preet, but yeah, ये आया मेरे पास.
Comparison होता है. Do you feel awkward?
No, I really like them. What's there to feel awkward about it? And I mean, I really like Rakul and I love Alia. So if they want to compare that I look like them, I love that.
Wow, amazing. Okay, the next segment is rapid fire.
अरे देवा,
आपको rapid रहना.
Okay, चलो.
Most useless talent that you have.
If procrastination or overthinking was a talent, I would have really won. But yeah, that's one useless talent that I have. Well, what else? Yeah, I overthink and I procrastinate a lot.
Overthinking के अगर पैसे मिलते तो मैं सबसे अमीर होती.
Yes.
Is that you?
Yes, that is. I think procrastination is my bigger
Okay.
problem than overthinking.
Okay. Okay. One thing you can't live without.
Paru, my doggo.
Okay. Morning person or night owl?
I'm a day person.
One guilty pleasure?
Eating Chinese is my guilty pleasure. Yeah.
Okay. Celebrity crush?
Ritik.
And the last one is your pet name. As in
Paranda.
your nickname.
Oh, my pet name.
I was about to complete my sentence. Your pet name as in your nickname. Parinda. Okay.
My nickname. Okay, wait. ये पक्का रखोगे ना तुम लोग? पक्का रखोगे ये मुझे पता है.
कुछ तो मसाला मिले.
Of course. My pet name. A lot of people call me MM.
Okay.
People call me M. People call me Makwana.
Okay.
Yeah.
Cute.
Yeah. I love being called M and MM.
M and MM. Okay.
Yeah.
And the last segment is called as the last.
As the last.
Okay.
Okay.
ठीक है. So the last song you heard on loop.
These days I'm listening to होती है feelings, the Telugu one.
Oh wow.
Yeah, I love to
yeah.
listen to South music and they're killing it.
Wow. Okay.
Yeah.
The last text you sent.
The last text I sent was to my PR, Asavari, कि आ जाओ. सब
Okay.
ready है.
The last time you kissed.
मम्मी देखने वाली है ये इंटरव्यू. I don't know, I don't remember.
Listen, you could be little smart and say Parinda.
नहीं पता ये मुझे ध्यान में आया. ऐसा करने के बाद
मतलब इसका जवाब कुछ तो है जो कैमरा पे बोलना नहीं है. No, we got it. इनको कैमरा पे नहीं बोलना है, कोई बात नहीं.
Okay.
Blush कर लो आप.
Full on और flushed लग रही हूँ मैं. Yeah, anyway. Yeah.
I hope it was a good one. One to remember. Okay, the last lie you told. Just now.
Yeah, like now.
Just now. 2 seconds ago. Okay. The last person you speed dialed.
Last person I speed dialed must have been my mom.
Okay.
Yeah.
The last thing you cooked.
I cooked avocado toast abhi.
Oh wow.
Haan.
You cook. You
Yeah, I cook. I love cooking.
Oh, superb. The last show or movie you binged.
Dear Comrade. I was watching this
Oh.
film, last night. Dear Comrade. Okay.
Vijay, you mentioned Dear Comrade.
Yeah.
So would you like to work with Vijay Devrakonda?
Of course, I think he's a phenomenal actor. And not only with him, but I would love to also work with Rashmika. Yeah, she's fab.
South movie or Bollywood film? Like masala South movie or masala entertaining Bollywood?
I think both.
Both.
You know, I would probably choose South because I've not really done like a masala entertainer in South. So yeah, if I have to pick, then yeah.
So with Rashmika and Vijay, the combination would be great.
Okay.
Both in the same film. Wow. Okay. Your last crush.
I just told you na, Ritik. He's always been my all-time crush. Yeah.
Okay. Wow. The last time you cried.
Yesterday.
Why?
Just. I think it's good to let out. You know, I feel crying is so underrated. It's very important to cry and be vulnerable and let it out, because sometimes crying or that pain turns into anger.
Yeah.
So before it reaches that stage, one should just let it out.
Wow.
And it's a great exercise. You want glowing skin, you cry. No, that's a lie. Don't take me seriously.
Wow. The last place you traveled just for fun.
Last place I traveled. It's been a long time since I traveled. Pondicherry.
That's my favorite place.
Yeah.
Wow. Last time you fell in love.
Last time I fell in love. I fall in love with Pari every single day. Yeah.
Your PR is like, wow. The PR game is strong. Come on.
Wait, I thought you were gonna like again fall prey to this, but you managed.
You managed. Superb. The last selfie you clicked, where and with whom?
Last night, all of us were watching Dear Comrade, so ghar pe
Selfie le liya. Wow. The last time you got compared with a celebrity and whom?
I get a lot of this now. People compare the way I look. I look like Alia and Rakul.
Yeah.
So
today only, I guess, through the comment segment.
Yeah.
Okay, the last person you blocked on Instagram.
These people who write a lot of stupid shit, like stuff, I just block them. Like whenever I get a chance, I block them. I mute them or I block them.
Superb. You
People
believe in
who-
blocking people.
Yeah. I think it's very healthy. It's an exercise one should follow.
Okay, the last time you felt helpless.
Last time I felt helpless. You know, I have a thing with, it's a thing that I don't like about myself. Every time there is something that I can't fix, अगर मुझे कुछ चीज आ नहीं रही है, then I would get really helpless, and I would like probably get really helpless and restless also about it. There was something to do with my interiors, and I couldn't find something, so I got really, I'm a very restless person, so little things get me really helpless.
Okay, the last project that you signed.
You will know about it.
Okay,
Yeah.
the last time you were starstruck.
I think when I met Shah Rukh sir,
Oh, how was it like?
वक्त थम गया और कुछ समझ ही नहीं आया. That's exactly what happened. Those 5 minutes of conversation with him, I don't remember a thing because it was something else. It was something else. They are stars for a reason. The aura that they come with, it's something else.
Absolutely. And the last one is the last time you were heartbroken.
Actors are very used to getting heartbroken because you test for something or you set your hopes on something and things don't work in your favor, but then when you eventually look at a particular situation in hindsight, you realize that it happens for a reason. So yeah, I got probably heartbroken some time ago because actors are very used to being heartbroken.
Like signing a project and then not getting it,
Yeah.
sort of thing.
Yeah.
Like
Not
because-
making it, but and I think rejections are a part and parcel of my profession. So it is something that we signed up for. You sign up for those heartbreaks.
Superb.
Okay.
You were amazing in all
Thank
the segments.
you.
Thank you so much,
Thank
Mahima,
you.
and wish you all the best.
Thank you so much.
Yay. We are done.